1708, very clearly visible. Can't be using your phone behind the wheel, even stopped in the queue, and I'm afraid I'm going to report that.
I've seen you on Instagram.
Yeah, you mustn't do it, mate.
I've seen the abuse you get as well.
It's not good, is it?
No, it's not good. Alright, fair enough.
I mean, if you see me here, I'm shocked that you even touched it.
I already had it in my hand. Could I... You're a polite guy and I agree with what you do. I am stopped. Could I appeal to your...
Okay, all I promise is I'll have a think about it, nothing more than that.
Keep up your good work.
Carry on, no, carry on, don't worry. But look, I appreciate your politeness, that's nice for a change.
Take care, sir.
Carry on. Honestly, I wasn't even expecting him to be on the phone.